Welcome to Lingo Tree, Let's Speak Sinhala online series. In today's episode, you will learn how to count in Sinhala. Let's go straight into it.
බිංදුව එක දෙක තුන හතර පහ හය හත අට නවය දහය එක දෙක තුන හතර පහ හය හත අට නවය දහය.
Have you memorized these numbers? If yes, now try to say in Sinhala the numbers you see appear.
එකොළහ දොළහ දහතුන දහහතර පහළොව දහසය දහහත දහඅට දහනවය විස්ස එකොළහ දොළහ දහතුන දහහතර පහළව දහසය දහහත දහඅට දහනවය විස්ස.
Have you memorized these numbers? If yes, now try to say in Sinhala the numbers you see appear. Were you able to complete all the exercises correctly? If not, before moving on, go back and give it another try.
දහය විස්ස තිහ හතලිය පනහ හැට හැත්තෑව අසූව අනූව සීය දහය විස්ස තිහ හතලිය පනහ හැට හැත්තෑව අසූව අනූව සීය.
Have you memorized these numbers? If yes, now try to say in Sinhala the numbers you see appear. Now, let's have a quick look at all the numbers from 20 to 100. It's very easy. You only have to memorize the first part of the number and then simply add the individual numbers in front of them.
21 32 43 54 65 76 87 98 100
Congratulations! You have made it to the end. Can't wait to see you on our next episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.